Hello, guys. How are you all? Uh, Welcome back to the channel. And today, I plan to post and explain editorials in live itself because it was already late. The contest was of 2.5 hours, and I was already very busy. Busy means I was doing work since morning. So let me first say if my voice is yeah. So I hope my voice is clearly audible and visible to everyone. So basically, if you watch my morning video of lead code, you guys must have seen that I gave the lead code contest in the morning, and post the lead code contest. I recorded it, right, the three problems, and I mentioned in the morning itself that I have to go for some work, and I went for that work basically. And then I came back at around 7. Then from 8 contest was there, and even the contest was of 2.5 hours or longer. So now I was not having that much time to first record the video and upload it, edit it and all. So I plan to do a live discussion only. Okay. So let's start with the discussions. Hi Manas, hi Manu, hi Faisal, hello everyone. Please do let me know if I'm clearly audible and visible to all of you. आवाज आ रही है मेरी? Am I clearly audible and visible to everyone? पक्का? Okay. Just give me a minute. I'm using this after a long time, तो I have to see यार क्या क्या settings होती हैं, एक बार देखना पड़ेगा. अच्छा यहाँ से आएगा. Okay, this one is fine. ठीक है. Hi Suleiman. Hello. ठीक है, cool guys. Let's start with it. So let me present my screen. Let me share my screen and start with the editorials one by one. So also do let me know if my screen is visible. I'm sharing it. 1 minute. Huh. Is the screen visible, guys? Is my screen visible to all of you? Can you guys please confirm? Great. Okay, amazing. So yeah, guys, this contest was actually really good, and this contest went good for me too. It was a good contest. I tried first 5 problems of the contest. Right, the first three problems were kind of easy to medium level. They were not very hard problems. I will say they were of decent level only. A fourth problem was of a good level, which I was able to solve. Okay, it was an interactive problem, and I always like interactive problems, so I will tell you that how I solve this problem and how you can also solve interactive problems. Fifth problem was very good. Yeah, it was good, and it was also, I'm not sure, matlab, I was lacking something. It was an optimization problem, so it was difficult also, complex also, lot of things were involved, plus optimization was also there. ठीक है. Can you turn on theme? यार इसका कुछ एक्सटेंशन हो जाएगा डार्क थीम का? मुझे डार्क थीम एक्सटेंशन ले लेता हूँ. इफ़ यू वांट डार्क थीम, मतलब मेरे पास फिलहाल नहीं है, बट इफ़ यू आर सेइंग आई कैन. ओके, लेट मी ट्राई टू ऐड. यार इसमें लग नहीं रहा है कोई थीम. इज देयर एनी स्पेसिफिक एक्सटेंशन यू गाइस नो? अच्छा लग गया लग गया लग गया भाई, ये तो कुछ ज़्यादा ही खराब है भाई, इसमें कैसे समझ में आएगा तुमको? भाई क्या कर दिया भाई ये? अरे भाई भाई भाई, नहीं यार भाई, प्लीज कॉपरेट यार। अरे भाई तुम अपना ही प्रमोशन कर लोगे क्या यार? इट इज एक्सटेंसिव भाई, पढ़ लेते हैं, पहले पढ़ लेते हैं। चलो अब तुम कह रहे हो तो ठीक है, बट तुम लोग यार अपना ही प्रमोशन करने लगे आपस में। चलो ठीक है, अब तुम बोल रहे हो तो मैं कर लेता हूँ। फिलहाल के लिए इसको रिमूव कर देता हूँ। हो गया ना? ये तुम्हारा है क्या? 4000 यूजर्स। हाँ भाई, मानस एंड देवेंद्र, नाइस भाई, नाइस नाइस नाइस। हाँ वो तो है भाई, तो तुमने पूरा एक्सटेंशन बना लिया इसके लिए। कहाँ गया? ठीक है भाई, देख लेते हैं इस बार। ये क्या था? हाँ दिस वन इज गुड यार, बाय द वे। ठीक है, लुक्स गुड, चलो ठीक है। सो thanks bhai, and you guys others who are in the video watching, you guys can also you try this code forces light extension if you found it good. I can see it's a good one. Okay, great. So nice. Okay guys, I hope my screen is clearly visible to everyone. Okay, so so I was saying that there were 5 problems in the in the contest, right? And there were actually 8 problems. I was able to attend 5 of them. 4 of them I was able to solve. Fifth one here I tried a lot. So if you will see my submission for the fifth problem, so you can see that ki I tried it for. अच्छा यहाँ पे दिख नहीं रहा क्या? My submissions, I will go here. अरे why I'm not able to see my submissions? क्यों भाई? Somehow it is not showing my submissions. हाँ, we will discuss all the problems. मैं बस ये देख रहा हूँ कि why it is not showing approximate rating of C and D. यार देखो, जो भी डाउट्स है ना आपके क्लास में पूछ लेना, बट मैं बता देता हूँ कि C was क्या था? हाँ, C was, I will say, something of 1200, 1300. D was up to 1500, I can say. D can be 1600 also. It can be of expert level. C वाला यार थोड़ा ठीक था, मतलब बहुत डिफिकल्ट नहीं था, I will say. Somehow I'm not able to see my submissions in the contest. I'm not sure why. Okay, let's ignore it. Okay, so basically, so this I will tell this E problem also I was able to solve, but I was getting a time limit exceeded in the eighth test case, right? So I was very close to the problem number E, but the time went and I was not able to solve it completely. I will see if at the end of the live I will again try once more, and if I will be able to solve and optimize the code, because it was failing at test case number 8, what I remember. So I have to just optimize it a little more and I will be able to solve. Other 4 problems I was able to solve. So let's discuss them one by one. Okay. Chalo, great. So let's start with the very first problem. Guys, are you up? Are you guys there? Can you start with the first problem? अच्छा नेटवर्क वगैरह सब ठीक है ना? अरे 1 मिनट. हाँ, नेट स्लो ठीक है, मतलब इट शुड बी फाइन यार, नॉट सो गुड नॉट सो बैड. लेट मी चेक माई. हाँ, नेट स्लो बी फाइन यार, मतलब आई डोंट थिंक देयर इज अ मच प्रॉब्लम. ठीक है, ठीक है. Let's start guys. Before starting here, please hit the like button. I can see people have joined but they have not liked. Please hit the like button in the stream. Okay. हाँ, so guys, the first problem was very basic. ठीक है, so what was there in the first problem? First problem was saying that you are having a set given to you and it's a multi-set. Multi-set means that numbers can be present in like each number can be present multiple times. It's not like a set. So what's the difference, guys? So the thing is, in a normal set, what happens is that numbers are sorted also and unique also, right? But what is happening in an unordered set? In unordered set, numbers are uh, unique, but they are not sorted, right? But in the multi-set, what happens is that numbers are sorted but not unique. Got it? So there are three types of sets. In normal set, both sorted and unique. In unordered set, it is unique, and in multi-set, it is just sorted. Okay? So a multi-set is given to you where duplicate numbers are possible. I hope it is clear, right? Now this is a set given to you. Now what the problem is given to you is that you are having a multi-set where each number can be present multiple number of times, but you have to divide that set into some partitions, and whatever partitions are there, we don't care, but you have to just divide into some partition, or maybe do not divide it. So for example, if this is a set, they are saying it can be divided like this. So they are saying that this is a set given to you, which is 1 2 3 4, and that set can be divided in this way. So if we have a set like 1 2 3 3, it can be divided as 1 comma 3 plus 2 comma 3. Then it can also be divided as 1 2 3 3 means no division. It is also possible that it is 2 1 3 and 3. Is it clear? Is the problem clear? So you are given that a set can be divided into some partitions. Fine, right? Just give me +1. Yes, just let's be interactive, guys. Okay, so it will be good for me. Okay. So I'm saying कि, uh, we can divide this. Now, how do we want to divide? So we have to divide this set into some different sets so that the max of every set is same. Okay, max of every set is same. What is max? So max is the minimum number which is not present in the array or in the set. For example, max for 1 and 3 is 0 because 0 is not present. For this, it is again 0. For this, it is again 0. So for all of these, the max is 0 only, right? But let's say if there is an array like this, 0, 1, 3, 5. Up now, can anyone tell me what will be the max for this array? What will be the max for this array? Can anyone tell me? ठीक है 2, right? बढ़िया बढ़िया ठीक है amazing. अब देखो होगा क्या क्या see. So let's say that you have a set like this 0 1 1 3 3 5 6 6 ठीक है, and you have a max of 2 ठीक है. Now you have to divide this set into some other sets ठीक है, so that the max of all those set is equal, and out of all such combinations you have to tell the minimum score, means the minimum max. So see guys, the thing is, if you will even divide this set into whatever number of set, and if you will try to make the max minimum, thing is, whatever numbers are present here, they should be present in also. Let's say if you wanted to keep the max minimum, up see, you can't make the max 0. Why you can't make the max 0? Because there is 1 0 present in this particular set, and that 0 will come to either of the set, either here, either here, either here. So you can't make max of all the subsets into 0. Similarly, you can't make max of any of the other sets to 1 also. Are you getting, guys? So see, the max of the original array is 2. The max of the original array is 2. So you will try to make max less than 2 because you want the minimum score. So when you are trying to make max value less than 2, then there should be a possibility either it is 0, either it is 1. But tell me, is max 0 or is max 1 possible? It is not possible. Why it is not possible? Because there is 1 0 present in the original set. So no matter wherever you will put this 0, the max will become 1. And wherever you will put this 0 and 1 both, the max will increase. So you can't even make max 0 and you can't make max 1 also. So max 1 is possible for some sets, but you can't make max 1 for all the sets. Agree, right? That is why the answer for this question is just this max of the original set that is given to you. That is the answer. Is it clear to everyone? Vedant, Aryan, Bilas, Manas, Suleiman, Faisal, Devendra. Clear to everyone? And for those who again joined new, please to let me know guys if it is clear. And also please hit the like button so that I can know ki how many people are there. ठीक है? Clear? Great. बढ़िया. Amazing. ठीक है? चलो ये हो गया. So this was a very basic problem यार, where you have to just tell us the max of the original array. So how I solved it? मतलब यार एक चीज समझ में आ रही है कि how why I'm not able to see my submissions. अच्छा, finally I got. I think they stopped. So if you will see my code for this, so Adit Rawat, no. Is it not clear? Adit, you can do one thing that after the live is over, you can again rewatch and you will be able to see. Okay. So I'm just finding the. अरे ओके भाई, फाइन भाई, ठीक है. हाँ, वो मुझे वो फैजल याद आ गया था भाई. फैजल वो कौन, क्या नाम है, गैंग्स ऑफ वासेपुर वाला फैजल. सो आई वाज कॉलिंग दैट. ओके, यू आर फाइन. ठीक है. सो हाँ, अब आते हैं यहाँ पे. सो यस, आई वाज सेइंग दैट कि वी नीड टू जस्ट फाइंड द मैक्स of a array, right? So how to find the max? What I'm doing is I am finding the frequency of each element in the array. Okay, and for each element, so what is max? The first smallest element which is not present. So to find that element which is not present, I'm just starting from 0 till 100, because you will see the constants are up to 100 only, and then whichever number is not present, I'm just printing it. Clear? Is it fine? ठीक है, चलो great. Now guys, let's move to the next problem. So the next problem is distinct elements. Aryan, if it is not clear much, you can. अच्छा, I think you said no means you don't have any doubt. ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है. ओके ओके ओके, बढ़िया. दूसरे पे आते हैं. This was also a very good problem. ये काफी अच्छा प्रॉब्लम था. And B was, I will say B was यार not a very easy problem. It was of good level यार. मतलब I will say it is a good problem. मतलब I will not say it was a very easy problem also. But हाँ, मतलब it was decent only, right? अब देखो guys what this problem was. ठीक है. In this problem, what is given to you is, हाँ, I can say it is 1100 or 1200. I can say up to that. Pupil level का तो है, ठीक है. It is of pupil level at least. हाँ, so the problem is that you are given an array A. So you were initially having an array A where the numbers are between 1 to n. So देखो, let me first rewrite the problem statement for you. ठीक है. So what is the problem statement? Problem statement is saying that you were having an array A which was having numbers from 1 to n. ठीक है, ठीक है, चलो बढ़िया. नेक्स्ट आता है. now they are saying that there is something called function, and function gives you number of distinct element in a particular range. So let's say if I'm saying, let's say if my array is 21321552, and I'm saying, so this is indexing is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6, and I'm saying function of a 2 to 5. तो बताइए from, or let's say 1 to 4, तो बताइए what will be the function of a1 to a4? So a1 to a4 is this 1321, and how many distinct elements are there? 3 distinct elements are there. Clear? So this is how I will get ki how many distinct elements are there in a particular sub array. That is what function will give you. So function is directly giving you ki in a particular sub array how many distinct elements are there. So here, to explain this question, I will use the test case that I used at the time of solving. So एक मिनट रुकना, वो मैं अपना रफ पेपर कॉपी लेके आता हूँ. Where I written that. भाई मुझे वो मिल नहीं रहा है यार. एक मिनट रुको. I have kept it somewhere. Okay, I got it. I got it finally. Sorry, guys. Huh. So let me take the test case that I used at the time of solving this problem. अच्छा ये वाला प्रॉब्लम है क्या? ठीक है, इसके लिए तो we can use any other test case. But एक वो next वाला था उसके लिए अच्छा वो मैं ले आया. So this is the thing what I did solved at the time of solving, and I have a better test case. हाँ ठीक है फाइन. सो सी गाइस देखो लेट्स से दैट अब देखो you are having a here, right? This is a. Ab, what is the problem to you? Are you guys there? Sorry, I went for somewhere. No worries. ठीक है इतना clear है ना guys? So there is an array given to you where elements are between 1 to n. Okay, but this array is actually not directly given to you. You are given a array B. ठीक है अब what this array B is, let's understand that. So they are saying array B is an array where every element of is the sum of functions of this thing. अब what is this I will tell you. मेरी रैंक कितनी बनी है लेट मी चेक यार. फाइनल रैंक क्या ये? फाइनल रैंक I got is 656. Nice. My past some contests were going very bad, but finally I वो कम बैक कर लिया मैंने. So ठीक है. हाँ. So this is the logic. ठीक है. So this is the value of B of I. ठीक है. Now what is this? So this will basically say that let's say that I am finding the value of this index of B. So it will first take the number of unique elements from 1 to 4, which is so matlab number of unique elements from 1 to 4 plus number of unique elements from 2 to 4 plus number of unique elements from 3 to 4 plus number of unique elements from 4 to 4. This is how you will get the value of this. And actually this is one base indexing I will do. This should be a one base indexing more officially. So this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Got it right? Got it right? So this is the thing. Ab, how can we calculate it? So see, let me make this thing little better. So let's make it 1 2 2 3 2 3 4. ठीक है. अब फॉर दिस हाउ द एरे बी विल लुक लाइक. सी तो क्या होगा कि दिस इज 1. सो फॉर फर्स्ट एरे बी ऑल्सो बी 1 बिकॉज देयर इज ओनली वन यूनिक एलिमेंट. ठीक है. अब दिस वैल्यू विल बी द नंबर ऑफ यूनिक एलिमेंट्स फ्रॉम हेयर टू हेयर प्लस फ्रॉम हेयर टू हेयर. यही होगा ना गाइस. नंबर ऑफ यूनिक एलिमेंट्स फ्रॉम 1 to 2 and 2 to 2. Agree? Please write a plus 1. Please write a plus 1. Okay. So it will be 2. It will be 3. 2 here plus 1 here 3. Okay. Now here it will be number of unique elements here 2 plus number of unique elements here 1 plus number of unique elements here 1. So it will be 4. Right? What will be here? Here if you will see, it will be number of unique elements here plus number of unique elements plus number of unique elements plus number of unique elements. Agree, right? This is how it will go on. Is that clear? Is that clear? ठीक है. अब देखो guys, what is the main logic here in this problem? Okay, so let's take this particular question where the value of B is this. अब देखो, there is one observation guys that you have to make. What is the observation? The observation is that if let's say in my array first number is 1, okay, my first number is 1, let's say, and if the first number is 1, B is also 1. ठीक है. अच्छा, now tell me guys, if my next number is also 1, then what is the value of B here? ये बताओ मुझे, if next number is also 1, then what is the value of b? So it will be 2 actually. Why? Because this is also 1, this is also, right? Great. अच्छा, अब मुझे बताओ, if this number is 2, then what is the value of b if this number is 2? Now see, this is 2 plus this is 2 plus this is 1, it is 5. ठीक है? अब I wanted to show you a catch here. What is the catch? The catch is, guys, when I am putting a number which is equal to the previous number, then the value of b is increased by just 1. Can you see? Right? And the same applies here also. If here also I will put 1, it will be just increased by 1. Right? So if the next number is equal to the previous number, the value is increasing by just 1. But if I'm putting a very new number like this, so this 2 was not present anywhere before. It was not present anywhere before. Then what is happening? This value is increased by the index where we are. So we are at third index, third place. So it will be plus 3 means 5. Is it clear? Right. But Abhinav, how it is always true? Now Abhinav, tell me that what if I put a 7 here? Is it possible? अच्छा मान लो guys, मान लो, tell me one thing. If I wanted a value 6 here of b, तो what should I place at a? मुझे a में क्या रखना चाहिए if I wanted a value of 6? What should be in a? Exactly. See, so when we have a difference of 1, then I will put the value that is present one index back, which is 2 only. So if I have a difference of 1, I will take value from -1. Got it right? Got it right? Acha, what if I have a difference of 2? Now which value should I put? So if I want a difference of 2, I will put this value, which is 2 indexes back. And you can check. So this is 2, this is 2, this is 2, this is 1. Got it? Are you getting? Getting? Amazing, amazing, amazing. Acha, what if there is 8? Up, see guys. When I put 8 here, which is 3 differences forward, now you will say, Abhinav, I will go 3 differences back, but still it will be 7. Because guys, because for 8 is not possible. So it's not always the case that for all the values of b it is possible. There can be some values for which the answer is not possible. But in the question, they are saying that they will give us only possible arrays. So I will not even handle the case. Okay. Achha guys, so see, so it is clear, right? It is clear that when I am giving difference of 1, means whatever is the difference, that value of a exactly Rn. You got the point. This is what we will do. So if I have a difference of 1, I will take value from 1 back. If I have difference of 2, I will take value from 2 back. If I have difference of 3, I will take value from 3 back. And the assumption is that value b should always be valid. Clear, guys? And if difference is more than the index, so let's say up to 3 it can handle. Let's say difference is 4. Matlab, this is 5 and here a plus 4 is there. But you can't go back 4 times. Now, guys, what will be the value at a? If I want a difference of 4, which is also the position 4. So if I want a difference of 4 exactly, I will put a new number here, a 3, a new number. Because when a new number will come, then difference will be increased. 3 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, which is 9. Got it? Got it? A new number I will put. Index position also you can put, or a new number simply you can put. Make sense to everyone? Please write up +1 if it makes sense. So this was something which was completely observation based thing. I just took a pen and paper, was trying this, and I got this logic. Okay? So you can see what I did. You can see what I did. So यहाँ पर I just took an answer array where answer 0 I made initially 1 because 0 index will always be 1 only. Okay. Now for index 1 to n, I am taking, so you can see here there is a 1 base indexing. So this I is the index of the array and 1 base indexing index is I plus 1. I got a difference of the current number from the previous number, right? Difference of current number from the previous number. And then whatever is the difference. So if that difference is equal to the index, like here, the difference was plus 4, which is equal to the index. That means I want a new number. So I'm just taking a new number. So I started from number 1 and every time I will increase the number and will take it. And if difference is less than index, then I'm just taking the number that index before an answer. So let's say if difference is 2, then I will take number from 2 index back. Is it clear to everyone? The logic of this problem which I'm trying, does it make sense to all of you? In the comment section, in the chat box, please write a +1 and hit the like button. So, bro Chirag, see, it is something observation based only. I will say somehow experience is also there because I've solved a lot of problems. So I have that much experience that how patterns are being recognized. And it's again, everything is just observation. There is no specific algorithm, there's nothing, right? See, I can simply say this is what I did. This is what I did. Nothing else. I'm trying to I'm trying to record my screencast while I'm solving a Codeforces contest so that you guys can see how I'm thinking. You will get some help from that. But yeah, this is what I did. Nothing else. Okay. Cool. बढ़िया. Can we move to the third problem, guys? आगे बढ़े क्या? That we have 25 viewers, but we still have just 14 likes. Why? वो भी कम हो रहा है. चलो ठीक है, बढ़िया. I also tried to apply this observation. Okay, bhai. At least you came to that observation. It's a really good thing. Okay. Maybe if you are not able to solve, it's fine. अच्छा ओके भाई, लाइक दे दो भाई, अच्छा है भाई, नाइस. ठीक है, अब देखो, दिस इज अ रियली गुड प्रॉब्लम. दिस इज अ रियली गुड प्रॉब्लम. लेट मी एक्सप्लेन यू व्हाट दिस प्रॉब्लम सेज. ठीक है, इस प्रॉब्लम में एक बार मेरा रॉन्ग आंसर ऑन प्री टेस्ट 1 आ गया था बिकॉज आई वाज डूइंग समथिंग रॉन्ग. मतलब इट वाज वर्किंग इन माय लोकल, बट बिकॉज ऑफ सम टेस्ट केस इट वाज नॉट वर्किंग ऑन कोड फोर्सेस, बट आई जस्ट हैंडल द कॉर्नर केस एंड इट वर्क. ठीक है. ठीक है, so let's discuss the third problem. Problem number C, reverse XOR. Let me update it in the, ये क्या नाम है इसका, StreamYard. भाई मैंने StreamYard 1 साल बाद ओपन किया अपने चैनल के लिए, बहुत दिनों बाद. Was able to solve till B only. No worries भाई. Let's understand C. Let's up solve C. ठीक है. अब देखो what the problem number C is. What is this problem? Let's understand that. ठीक है. The problem is saying that कि you are having a number n. ठीक है, you are having a number n. अब now what you have to do? So you have to find a number x such that the and value of x and reverse of x in binary form is equal to n. I think XOR है क्या? I think XOR है. Sorry, XOR है. And नहीं है, XOR. XOR value. So we recognize XOR like this. You can write like that. कुछ भी कर सकते हो. ठीक है. अब what does it mean? So it means that कि let's say that कि भाई हैकर का सॉल्व मिल जाएगा. हैकर कब चल रहा है क्या? वेट भाई, ये कैसे हो गया? फेसबुक हैकर कप चल रहा है क्या? ये तो बंद हो गया था ना, मैंने जितना सुना था. ओ भाई, अच्छा प्रैक्टिस राउंड चल रहे हैं क्या? ड्यूरेशन 120 है, मतलब 5 दिन. ये तो बंद हो गए थे ना हैकर कप. अरे भाई थैंक्स यार, थैंक्स भाई, सीरियसली. अच्छा नहीं, प्रैक्टिस राउंड चल रहा है, कोई नहीं यार. ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है, इसका सॉल्व करते हैं यार, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, सॉल्व करते हैं इसको, मैं सॉल्व करके डालता हूँ, ठीक है। नॉट एन इशू, थैंक्स फॉर टेलिंग मी यार, प्रैक्टिस करते हैं इसका, मजा आएगी। इसका मैंने एक वीडियो बहुत पहले डाला था, सो आई पोस्टेड अ वीडियो ऑफ हैकर कप आई थिंक 2-3 years बैक, दैट हाउ टू सबमिट अ प्रॉब्लम इन हैकर कप, एंड दैट वीडियो इज आल्सो गोइंग वेरी गुड। ठीक है यार, लेट्स नॉट डिस्ट्रैक्ट फ्रॉम व्हाट वी आर डूइंग, ठीक है। सो फॉर एग्जांपल दैट कि द वैल्यू ऑफ x इज 3 और कुछ लेट्स से वैल्यू ऑफ x इज 10 या 11, ठीक है। सो इफ द वैल्यू ऑफ x इज 11 देन इट्स बाइनरी इज 1011, ठीक है। नाउ दे वांटेड you to reverse x, ठीक है, माना से बाद में डिस्कस करते हैं, ठीक है। तो रिवर्स x इज 1101, ठीक है। नाउ दे वांटेड यू टू फाइंड द ZOR, सो टेल मी गाइस व्हाट इज द ZOR ऑफ 1011 एंड 1101, व्हाट इज द ZOR ऑफ दिस, कैन यू टेल मी? इट विल बी 0110 which is actually 6, ठीक है, ठीक है। So I can say that when x is 11, I'm getting n as 6, ठीक है। Now you will say Abhinav, it's very easy yaar. If I have x, I will simply find its binary. Then I will simply get its reverse. I will get its XOR and I will get the answer. But bro, here you have to apply reverse engineering. So here value of x is not given to you. They are giving you a value of n and they are asking whether that value is possible or not, whether the answer is yes or whether the answer is no. For example, for n is equal to 6, it is possible. How? I just showed you how it is possible. Is the problem statement clear? What the problem statement is? The value of n is given to you and you have to just say yes or no that whether the value of x is possible or not. Clear hai? Clear hai? ठीक है, चलो बढ़िया। अब देखो गाइस, अंडरस्टैंड वन थिंग वेरी 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 केयरफुली, ओके। सो हियर व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज यू हैव अ वैल्यू x, so always take this as a binary, ठीक है। So when I'm saying x means it's the binary form of x, not the decimal form, okay। So I have a value x, ठीक है, in binary way, let's say 110 for example, and I have a reverse of x, ठीक है, for example this, so I have a x and I have a reverse of x, clear, pakka। I have to find the XOR of both x and reverse of x, and I will get some value. Now thing is guys, whenever we take a number and we take XOR of its reverse, then the value that we get always has a common pattern in it. Again, this is an observation based thing. अब what that pattern is guys, understand very clearly, okay? So let's say that your x is, I will take a longer value, okay? 1011000010. Let's say that your value of x is this, a very long value, ठीक है। अब देखो guys, understand one thing very carefully. When I will do the reverse of this x, then the bits of this x will get reversed. मतलब this 0 will come here, this 1 will come here, this and so on. Clear? Clear? Okay. Please write a +1. Okay, great. That means this one will be paired with this 0. This one will be paired with this 0. Agree? Cool. ठीक है। So मतलब it's a 2 pointer कि this thing will be paired with this thing, and so here 10 will come and here 01 will come, right? And whatever is the answer will be a common answer. So after doing reverse and then XOR, here in the answer n, here also I will get 1, here also I will get 1, because here I am getting 0, here I am getting 1. Clear hai? ठीक है। Now I will check for these two. Here again 1 0 are coming, so again answer will be 1 and 1. ठीक है, ठीक है, clear? Okay, so you are very out. Thanks a lot, Jasmine. Thanks a lot. And ठीक है, आज माचा अच्छा था वैसे, क्लियर राइट, ओके चलो बढ़िया. I will highlight your comment after some time after this problem. So this is 0 1, okay. हाँ ठीक है, ठीक है. अब देखो, so here 1 1 and 1 1 will come. अब the place where 1 and 1 both are same, see here also it's 1, here also it's 1, so it will come 0 0. So I can say that the places where at one side there is a 1 and at one side there is a 0, at those places answer will be 1 1, and the places where both side is either 1 or both side, both side are equal basically, then it is 0. And middle one is always 0. Is this clear guys? Is this clear guys? पक्का? सुलेमान भाई, दीपक भाई, आर्यन भाई, मानस भाई, अरविंद भाई, क्लियर है? ठीक है, exactly. अब there are two observations that you have to make out of this thing. First observation is that your this value of n, middle one is 0, right? So it will remain 0 because 0 0 will be 0 only. I think middle one we got 0, right? This 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 this. It is 0, right? ठीक है. So first observation is that this n will be a palindrome. This n will be a palindrome. ठीक है, amazing. ठीक है. Second thing is that there should be at least 2 ones or no ones. So there will not be any solution where only one 1 is present. It is not possible. सिर्फ एक 1 possible नहीं है, because all the ones are coming in pair. Because देखो, 1 will only come when a 0 will be mapped with 1 or when a 1 will be mapped with 0, right? Vinod, अरे भाई. So let's say if this is 1, this is 0, output is 1, but it will come in both the places. Clear guys? Do you guys got both the outcomes of this problem? That this n should be palindrome and it should have at least 2. It can't have, or I can say that I'm doing wrong. It will have even number of ones. Better. Even ones, sorry. That is better thing. Not just one. Yes, exactly, Aryan. Even number of ones. ठीक है? पक्का? समझ नहीं आया क्या? अरे मतलब पैलिंड्रोम इसलिए ना भाई, देखो अगर यहाँ 1 है यहाँ 0 है, ठीक है, तो इसके लिए भी 1 होगा, इसके लिए भी 1 होगा. अगर यहाँ 1 है यहाँ 1 है, तो इसके लिए भी 0 होगा, इसके लिए भी 0 होगा. तो इट विल फॉर्म अ पैलिंड्रोम. वी कैन टेक वन मोर एग्जांपल. तो एक और एग्जांपल ले लेते हैं. सो लेट्स सी. लेट्स से इफ x इज 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 एंड उसका रिवर्स. ठीक है, तो इफ यू विल टेक द XOR, it will be 1 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 1. Why? Because this 0 is mapped, this 1 is mapped with this 0, so it's coming at 1, and this 1 is mapped with this 0, so it's coming at 1. So if there is a 1 on the left side, 1 on the right side also, then again next one, so next one here also, it will be a palindrome, bro. Deepak bhai. अच्छा ऐसा है क्या विनोद भाई? थोड़ा इम्प्लीमेंटेशन अच्छा करो, प्रैक्टिस करो, हो जाएगा. कहाँ गया यार दीपक भाई? समझ गए ना? अरविंद, अविनाश, विनोद भाई, 40 लोग आ गए भाई, क्या बात कर रहे हो यार? लाइक कर दो, 20 लाइक है सिर्फ. So whoever have joined new, please do hit the like button. We just completed solving the. हाँ मतलब zero count doesn't matter गौरव. See, if 1 is even, then bro 0 doesn't matter. ठीक है, that's the main thing. ठीक है. So solution कैसे, how I solved it is basic only. So I started with, अच्छा हाँ एक चीज और भी है guys, there is one more thing कि चलो ये तो ठीक है. अच्छा आप मुझे बताओ guys that if n is 6, if n is 6, then what is its binary form for 6? 110. अच्छा बताओ, is 110 palindrome? Is it palindrome? It is not palindrome, right? But guys, the answer is yes. Why yes? Because I can add an extra zero before na bhai. Now it is palindrome. Means the answer is possible. So I can add some extra zeros on the left side actually. So what I'm doing is I am ignoring the zeros present on the left side. So I'm taking I at 0, j as the end. But if I have some leading zeros na, I'm ignoring it. Because same number of zeros I can put on the prefix also. And whatever the middle string I'm getting, I have just created a simple palindrome function, a check palindrome function, which is checking that whether my binary is palindrome or not. And also I'm checking that my count of 1 should be even. Something both the things. First thing, it should be a palindrome. Second thing, 1 should be present even number of times. And guys, to convert a number into its binary form, I have already a predefined what this method written with me, decimal to binary, which I used. Exactly, Aryan. Check from first and last one, and if in between there are some zeros, that will be checked. That is not a problem. But last ki zero doesn't matter, na? Because if there are some zero at the last, I can put it at the front also. It will not matter, right? Clear, guys? Can you move to the next problem, the fourth one? Can you move to the fourth problem, guys? Everyone, Manu, Manas, Aryan, Arvind, Deepak, Suleiman, and Fahim. यार इसमें कुछ गोल का ऑप्शन आया है, क्या करूं, मैं कर दूं क्या कुछ? ट्राई करते हैं. स्लाइड ब्लू एंड हायर. ठीक है, कुछ नहीं. ओके, ठीक है, बढ़िया. कुछ नहीं मानस, नथिंग. Let's move to the next problem, yaar. I hope the third one is clear. Next problem is mad interactive problem. Bhai sahab. Acha, how many of you were able to solve this problem? And how many of you were not? And how many of you have tried? क्या है मतलब? अरे अरे नहीं नहीं भाई, ऐसा नहीं करना. रुला दिया क्या? अरे भाई भाई भाई. पहले मेरे को भी इंटरेक्टिव प्रॉब्लम्स वर मतलब बहुत डिफिकल्ट लगते थे, बट देन मेरे को बहुत अच्छे लगने लगे व्हेन आई अंडरस्टूड कि व्हाट आर इंटरेक्टिव इंटरेक्टिव प्रॉब्लम्स. ठीक है. सो दिस प्रॉब्लम आल्सो इफ यू विल सी, सो इन इंटरेक्टिव प्रॉब्लम्स राइट होता है कि नहीं यार कि interactive problems you can't solve in your local, so you need to check it. Matlab, you can solve but it's little difficult. So to even test the first test case, you have to submit the, so if you will see I made two wrong submissions on test case one only, where idleness limit was exceeding. What is idleness limit I will tell you, but still I got it in the first attempt only. So these two attempts were of first test case only, because I can't run that in my local to test locally. Okay, but it got submitted in first test case. Let's see what this problem is. एक मिनट देना मेरे को. Give me 1 minute. Huh. So, guys, what does interactive forum we do? No. We will not get penalty, Aryan, because the interactive. Sorry, because those wrong were in the first test case. Okay, so if the first test case getting failed, will not get any penalty. Like, can you take an example? Do it actually answering? हाँ ठीक है बिल्कुल यार. I will explain what is this interactive problem, guys. No, that was not the fine approach. Yes, binary search was not required here. It was a very different. So I think today's contest was completely observation based contest, and that is why I performed well, because in observation based problem contest, they are my favorite contest, right? Where we are not using any specific algorithm, but we are just thinking and applying whatever we are able to think, right? So, acha, let's first come on that what are interactive problems, ठीक है? So guys, interactive problems क्या होते हैं? Let's discuss that. So देखो guys, what happens is in interactive problems, what you can do, you can interact with Codeforces का console. What do you mean by interact? So Codeforces tells you some specific queries that you can ask to the console while solving the problem. And in interactive problem, mostly they wanted you to guess something. वो आपसे कुछ गेस करवाना चाहते हैं, ठीक है? फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई एम सेइंग यू दैट आई हैव अ एरे 1 2 3 4 5, ठीक है? And I am asking you कि you have to find that what this array is. So I am just telling you that I have an array of size 5, ऐसा मान लो. So let's play an interactive problem. Okay, एक interactive problem खेल लेते हैं यहीं पे. So for example that I have an array of size 5, but I am not showing you guys the array. मैं आपको array नहीं दिखा रहा हूँ. Okay, that array is hidden to you. I am just telling you that the array size is 5, and I am asking you that you guys have some query that if you will ask me question mark 1 comma 3, that means I will give you some of elements from 1 to 3 from the array. So let's say if you asked me question mark 1 3, so I will give you answer as 6, because from 1 to 3 the answer is 6, right? Let's say if you ask me question mark 3 5, so from 3 to 5 the answer is 12. Got it? So basically what you can do, you can ask some queries to the console of Codeforces. It will give you some result in the output, and using that result you have to make a guess कि array क्या होगा. For example, इस केस में आप क्या कर सकते हो? In this case, you can first ask me sum from 1 to 5, then you can ask me sum from 2 to 5, and whatever is the difference in sum, you can just subtract and get the first number, and so on. कर सकते हो नहीं कर सकते हो? अगर मैं आपसे बोलूं कि आपके पास 5 नंबर्स हैं, and in every query I will give you length sum of numbers between 1 to n or 2 indexes, will you be able to find the array? दीपक वो सब भूल जाओ. अभी आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू व्हाट इज इंटरेक्टिव प्रॉब्लम. समझ रहे हो ना? व्हाट इज इंटरेक्टिव प्रॉब्लम? वेयर यू कैन आस्क सम क्वेरी एंड द कंसोल विल गिव यू द रिजल्ट. एज सिंपल एज दैट. ठीक है? नाउ हाँ ठीक है, तो यू हैव टू गेस. अब व्हाट इज देयर इन दिस प्रॉब्लम? लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड दैट. So in this one, they were saying that you were having a secret sequence. So your Codeforces is having a secret sequence. Okay? So it was having a secret sequence, and it is giving you a n. Let's say n is 5. So if n is 5, they are saying that the secret sequence will have 10 numbers, where every number from 1 to 5 is repeated twice. So let's say that if n is 5, so numbers from 1 to 5 are present 2 times in the sequence, but you don't know how they are present. They are not present in sorted order. They can be present in any order. We don't know. We don't know what the order is. Just the thing is that they are saying that the value of n is given to you, and in this array, numbers from 1 to n are present twice. Every number is present twice. ठीक है? तो फॉर एग्जाम्पल if my n is 5, then my array can be like this. So this is the example that I took while solving. So I will took to explain you guys also. Clear? Is it clear? So let's say that if n is 5, then your array can be something like this. क्यों जी? क्लियर है ना? हाँ जी, ओके, ठीक है. नाउ व्हाट यू हैव टू डू? सो दे आर आस्किंग यू टू मेक सम क्वेरीज. अब व्हाट क्वेरी कैन यू मेक? सो दे आर सेइंग यू हैव टू मेक क्वेरीज इन दिस फॉर्मेट. या क्या हो गया? बाकी लोग रिस्पॉन्ड क्यों नहीं कर रहे हैं? गाइस प्लीज रिस्पॉन्ड. आई वांट एवरीवनस रिस्पॉन्ड. आई वांट एवरीवनस रिस्पॉन्ड हियर. ठीक है, great. Now they are asking that you can make queries like this, where you have to put question mark, then a value k, and then some k indexes. So let's say that I'm saying question mark. Hi Aman, welcome. If it's your first day, most welcome. And let's say I'm giving 4, and I'm giving, let's say, 1 2 5 6. So what will happen that I am asking Codeforces that Codeforces, I am giving you 4 indexes, 1 4 5 and 6. अब what Codeforces will do? See, Codeforces क्या करेगा? So what Codeforces will do it will give me the MAD of that particular subsequence. MAD is maximum appearing duplicate. So क्या करेगा? So let's say that I gave indexes 1 2 5 6. So 1 is this, 2 is this, 5 is this, 6 and this. अब मुझे बताओ, in this subsequence, is there any number which is repeating? Is there any number which is repeating, which is present 2 times? No, right? So in that case, Codeforces will give me output as 0. कि there is no number getting repeated. ठीक है? अच्छा, now tell me, if I am passing number, let's say 5 and 1 2 3 4 5, तो ये नंबरिंग थोड़ी ऐसी है, 1 बेस्ड है एक्चुअली में. 1 बेस्ड, चलो 2 बेस्ड ही मान लेते हैं. तो 5 and 0 1 2 3 4. So if I will ask for 0 1 2 3 4, now batao, is there any number repeating here? Yes, only one number is repeating, which is 3. So Codeforces will give me 3. Is that clear? Is that clear? And let's see if I'm giving the whole array. Let's say I'm giving the whole array from 0 to 10. Now there are lots of numbers which are repeating. ठीक, अच्छा, even by the way, इस array में भी आप देखो तो there were 2 numbers that were repeating, 2 and 3. But they are saying they will give you maximum appearing duplicate, means 3. Got it? Got it? तो अब आते हैं, थोड़ा समराइज करते हैं. लेट्स समराइज व्हाट द प्रॉब्लम इज. ठीक है, लेट्स समराइज. सो गाइस, द प्रॉब्लम इज दैट यू आर हैविंग अ नंबर n गिवन टू यू. तो आपके पास एक n दे रखा है. ठीक है, एंड देयर इज अ एरे a प्रेजेंट विच यू डोंट नो. सो एक एरे a प्रेजेंट है विच यू डोंट नो, बट यू हैव टू बिल्ड दैट एरे. ठीक है, how you can build an array? You have to make some queries, and in each query you have to write question mark, then a value k, and then some k integers. And what Codeforces will say? Codeforces will return back the maximum appearing duplicate in that particular indexes, means the maximum number which is present 2 times, or if there's no number present 2 times, it will give you 0. This is what it is doing. Is that clear? And by doing these queries, you have to find the original array. ठीक है? ठीक है, अब देखो गाइस, एक चीज समझना. ठीक है, सो जब क्वेरी हम करते हैं ना, तो दे कांट गिव अस इनफाइनाइट क्वेरीज, बिकॉज इफ दे विल गिव अस इनफाइनाइट क्वेरीज, देन आंसर बिकम्स वेरी इजी. फिर हम इजीली निकालेंगे. सो हियर दे आर सेइंग दैट दे विल गिव अस मैक्स 3n क्वेरीज दैट आई कैन मेक. ओके, तो गाइस हम क्या करेंगे यार? व्हाट आई विल डू इज, this problem also I thought a lot. I was just revolving around my room and I was thinking क्या करना है क्या करना है क्या करना है, and then luckily चमक गया, I got the solution. So देखो क्या करेंगे, see. अच्छा guys, tell me, if I will ask Codeforces a query where I will just pass index number 0, to what Codeforces will give me? What answer Codeforces will give me? बताओ. If I will just pass index number 0, it will give me 0, right? It will give me 0. Amazing. Because there is no duplicate. So Codeforces is giving maximum apparent duplicate, means the number which is present double. But if there is no number present double, it will give me 0. Acha, if I will pass 0 and 1, then what it will give me? If I will pass 0 and 1, then again 0. If 0, 1 and 2, then again 0, right? Acha, what if I will pass 0, 1, 2 and 3? अभी मुझे क्या मिलेगा फ्रॉम कोड फोर्सेस बैक? नहीं नहीं नहीं, डजंट मैटर गाइस, ऐसा कुछ है क्या? नहीं नहीं, के कैन बी 1 ऑल्सो, डजंट मैटर, आप एक इंडेक्स भी भेज सकते हो. एग्जैक्टली. सो व्हेन आई एम गिविंग दिस टिल थर्ड इंडेक्स, आई एम गेटिंग बैक 2. अच्छा, is it a guarantee that because before that I was not getting anywhere apart from 0, I was getting 0 0 0 0, and I am getting 2 here, does it mean that there is a guarantee that at index number 3 2 is present? Is it a guarantee? Bolo, is this a guarantee? Because here we got 0, here we got 0, here we got 0, but here we got 2. Matlab this 2 got repeated after somewhere, and for sure there is a 2. Yes, it's a guarantee guys कि 2 तो यहाँ पक्का होगा. ठीक है? So can I say that कि index number 3 is 2? Can I store it in my answer? Because this array I don't know. On this array I'm just putting some queries. I have to create an answer array. ठीक है? So guys, is it clear that how we got to know that index number 3 is 2? Is that clear that how we got to know that index number 3 is 2? Deepak, Aryan, Suleiman, Gaurav, Arvind. Clear, right? This thing should be clear that how we are getting 2 at index number 3. Because till here we were getting everything at 0, and here we got 2. That means we got a repetition. अब देखो guys, अब देखो, because we got a 2 here, we know that the index number 3 is 2. Now I will not make any query for the index which I know. I will not make any query for 3. Now I will make query for 0, 1, 2 and 4. अब बताओ मुझे, if I will make query for 0, 1, 2, because till 0, 1, 2 answer was 0. If I will make for 0, 1, 2 and 4, now what will be the answer? What will be the output? Now again the output is 3. That means the second 3 is present here, and I will make this also as 3. Right? Right? So I got for these both. Okay? Now I will make query for this and 4. अच्छा, अब output क्या होगा? Now output will be 0, no problem. Now I will include this also. Now what will be the output? Now output is again 0, no problem. Now I will make for this also. अब बताओ what will be the output? What will be the output now? 5, right? That means second 5 is present here. ठीक है? Now I will not include this. Now I will make query for this and this. अब output क्या होगा? 4. And then this, then 1. So guys, you can see that through this thing, I found every number second location where it is present. Every number second location. Second location of 2, second location of 3, second location of 5, 4 and 1. Is it clear? ठीक है? And कितना मैंने queries करी? Total how many queries I did? I did actually 2n queries because the length of this array is 2n. So in 2n queries, I am able to get half of the numbers of the answer, right? अच्छा, अब कोई मुझे बताएगा, to get the remaining half numbers, what should I do? To get remaining half number, what should I do? Anything that you guys can think of? ग्रेट यार, बढ़िया, नाइस दीपक, आर्यन भाई, सुलेमान, अमन, दीपक, राइट। रिवर्स करेंगे अब, रिवर्स क्वेरी। तो हम क्या करेंगे कि नाउ आई विल गो फ्रॉम बैक एंड अगेन आई विल नॉट टेक दोज इंडेक्सेस विच आंसर आई हैव ऑलरेडी गॉट, राइट। तो अब देखो हम क्या करेंगे, व्हाट विल आई डू नाउ। सो सी, आई विल गो फ्रॉम हियर, ओके। So I have 1, I have 4, I have 5. ठीक है. So I got 1, I got 4, I got 5, but I will not make query for them because the numbers I already have. But I will store it for my next query. Now I will make query for these 4 numbers. अब बताओ. When I will get query for these 4 numbers, so you know that कि for this it will be 1, for this it will be 1, for this it will be 0. मतलब 0, 0, 0. But when I will do query for this, then what is the answer? What is the answer when I will do query for these 4? I will get 5. That means from back, the next 5 is present here. Right? Now, if I will make query for these 4, then I will get 4. Now, this one, I will get 3. This one, I will get 2. This one, I will get 1. And I got the final answer. And here I just did queries for the numbers which were not present. And here n numbers were not present, so I did n more queries. So total 3n queries I am doing. Okay? So you can see that how I implemented this thing. How I implemented this thing is, so first of all, I have written here a function for query. So this function is doing nothing. This function is just taking input of my vector v and is printing that vector. And guys, whenever we do interactive problem, we also do some cout flush because we are also interacting, right? So our console should be flushed, empty. And also sometimes we have to print query in reverse because when we are going from back, queries should also always be increasing order. So I will reverse it actually, ठीक है? तो हम क्या करेंगे? I will take input of n and at the same time I am doubling the value of n because we have 2n values in the array. Now I'm creating the answer. अब देखो initially what I'm doing, guys, initially I have this query vector, right? So initially I will make query for just what? So what I did, see, let's understand from start. So as I told, initially I will do query for just 0. So you can see in my query I added 0. So I'm adding +1 because they want 1 based indexing. So I will make first query for just 0 and I will get the output. So first query will be 0, just 0. Output also is 0. Okay? If output is 0, nothing to do. Now second query is this one. Third query is this one. When I will make the fourth query, now answer will be 2, which is not 0. So what I will do? If answer is not equal to 0, I will make that output here that this array is actually 2 and I will not take that particular index in my query forward. So next query जो जाएगी उसमें ये 2 नहीं लेंगे. I will just take this and this. So यहाँ पे 3 होगा, then this 4, 5, then 5, then 4, then 1. And then the same thing I will do from back also, exactly same thing, but here I will make query for only those numbers which are currently -1, means which I have not calculated. हाँ, अब can you show by, हाँ, so I will show you guys. So do Aryan, see, these I can't show in directly in Codeforces. Let me open that program is a compiler. I will show you. Okay. So this is my code, and let's assume कि this is the same array that I am considering. Okay. So मान लेते हैं, यहीं पे लिख लेता हूँ मैं कि जो array हम consider कर रहे हैं वो ये है. The array is 1 2 3 2 3 1 2 3 2 3 4 5 5 4 1. ठीक है. and now I will run this code. ठीक है, let's see. So I put test cases as 1 and as 5, so you can see the value of n is 5. अब देखो guys, value of n is 5. I'm making these queries. Initially it is asking me question mark 1 1, मतलब this is one is the size and this one is the index that it is asking. अब बताओ मुझे, if it is asking me for the index 1, what should I return? Because in this case I am Codeforces, I will reply to this program. मैं इसको प्रोग्राम का रिप्लाई दूंगा. बताओ क्या होगा 1 1 का आंसर? What should I give as the output for 1 1? It is asking me question mark, array size is 1 and there is only one index 1, 0, right? Because for this one there is nothing duplicated, so I will give 0. Clear ना? समझ में आ रहा है everyone? ठीक है, great. So I will give 0. अब it asked me for 1 2. अब बताओ for 1 2, what will I return? What will I return for 1 2? Again 0, because nothing is double. ठीक है. Now it is asking me for 1 2 3. So what will I do for 1 2 3? Again 0. Now it is asking me for 1 2 3 4. अब बताओ मैं क्या दूं? For 1 2 3 4 what should I do? For 1 2 3 4 what should I do? For 1 2 3 4 I will give, because there are 2 present twice, I will give 2. सही है ना? ठीक है. Now see guys, when I give 2, it has stored 2 in its answer, and now it is asking me 1 2 3 and 5. It is skipping 2 because he already know that it is 2. Now guys बताओ 1 2 3 and 5 मतलब इतना क्या आउटपुट होगा? Now what will be the output? 3, right? Now it is skipping these both and is giving this. Now what is the output? 0. Now it is adding 5 also. Now what's the output? It's still 0. Now it is adding this second 5 also. See, 1 2 3 and 6 7 8. Now what will be the output? 5. ठीक है. Now it is asking this. Now output is 4. And now it is asking this, so output is 1. So by doing this you can see that you got this thing. मतलब you got second occurrences of every number. So you got 2 3 5 4 1. Now I will go from the back side. So from back it is asking me 7 8 9 10. It is asking me these 4. अब बताओ what will be the output for this 7 8 9 10? क्या output होगा? Again 5. So 5 will be stored here. Now it is asking me 6 8 9 10, मतलब this thing. So this is 8 9 10 and this is 6. So इसका output क्या होगा? 4, right? Then it is asking me 3 4 5 8 9 10. Sound off? नहीं भाई, आ रही होगी आवाज. Please check your. So it will ask this much, right? It will ask me actually ये adding 2 3 4. ठीक है. तो बेसिकली यहाँ पर होगा क्या है 3 4 5, मतलब 3 4 5 and 8 9 10. तो इसके लिए हो जाएगा 3. ठीक है. और फिर उसके लिए आएगा 2 and then 1. And now guys you can see that the final answer that we are getting is this, which is your actual array that we got in the answer. Got it? So when I'm giving everything right to this interactive problem, it is able to give me the correct answer. It is able to guess the array. Clear है? Okay. So this is what I did, and this is how this problem is solved. Hi Nilesh bhai. Thanks Deepak bhai. Thanks bhai Nilesh. Can you please give proof why B solution is correct? Yeah, proof. I think Uday you joined late. Yeah, it is hard actually. I think Uday you joined late, but I have already explained this problem, so you can probably watch the recording back. Okay, you can check out the recording. Go back and check out the recording. You will be able to get it. You should be able to get it. Okay. अरे thanks भाई, thanks a lot. Nilesh भाई means a lot to me. ठीक है. Now guys, this rectangle is something I tried a lot. So you can see that I got test case limit on 8, then I got test case limit exceeded, time limit exceeded on 6 and 6. So I tried a lot this problem, बहुत try किया मैंने. It was a problem of bit mask and you can say DP, lots of things were there. I tried my best to solve this problem. I was getting the exact logic. मेरे को पूरा लॉजिक समझ में आ गया था कैसे करना है क्या करना है, but somehow I was getting TLE at test case number 8, and then I later saw that this problem was also very hard. मतलब globally it was solved by just 155 people and still only 155 people have solved it. तो ये मैं कर लेता तो बहुत ही अच्छी बात थी. I must have got some rank under 100 and India rank probably under 20 or so. But I tried my best. मतलब I tried till the last second, guys. मतलब if you will see my last submission, that was at यहाँ पे 8 लिखा है, इसका मतलब plus 530, right? So कितना हो गया? नहीं, तो कुछ अलग ही है. पता नहीं मतलब, ठीक है. तो I tried till end, but was not able to solve. But ठीक है, I will up solve it, guys. And if possible, I will upload a separate video for that. ठीक है. Cool. Cool, guys. Was it good? How was the life? How was the solutions? Was it clear to everyone? Thanks, Nilesh bhai. Were the solutions clear to everyone? So, आप कितने साल के हो भाई? मेरा बर्थडे है परसों, तो आप लोग पूछना, बताऊंगा कितने साल का हूँ. Get intuition for B. So Deepak bhai, yeah, there is no intuition bhai. And at first, I'm not sure, even I didn't got at first. As I showed you my rough copy, I was just trying, observing, and I was a little confident because it was a third problem only. So I was knowing uh, कि चीजें वो नहीं है, ठीक है. तो ऐसा है. भाई ये क्या हो गया? कोई बात नहीं, नॉट क्लियर्ड. ठीक है चलो. शुड हाउ आई शुड क्या सो मच हेल्प भाई, लव फ्रॉम बांग्लादेश. थैंक्स भाई, लव फ्रॉम इंडिया टू भाई. माय नेम फ्रेंड इज आल्सो सेम डे फॉर यू सर. अरे गौरव भाई. थैंक्स भाई गौरव. अरे कोई बात नहीं भाई, बी ऑनेस्ट. अभी मैंने सुबह ही जो लीड कोड वीडियो बनाई थी, तो उस पर मैंने थोड़ा जल्दी जल्दी बनाई थी. एंड सो हुआ क्या कि मेरे को आई मेंशन आल्सो इन दैट वीडियो कि मेरे को बाहर जाना है. तो मैंने आई एक्सप्लेन इट वेरी फास्ट, एंड देयर वाज अ कमेंट कि योर सॉल्यूशन इज वेरी रबिश एंड व्हाट डिड यू डिड, यू वर जस्ट ट्राइंग टू कन्विंस पीपल दैट यू आर राइट. तो भाई बंदे ने लिख दिया, तुम लोग चेक करना है कि लीड कोड का सुबह वाला वीडियो. तो भाई मैंने कहा क्या हो गया भाई? मतलब भाई उस बंदे ने बहुत ही सीधा लिख दिया कि योर सॉल्यूशन इज रबिश एंड यू आर ट्राइंग टू कन्विंस अस दैट यू आर राइट. भाई साहब मैंने कहा यार अब क्या बोलूँ मैं इसको. तो मैंने फिर लिख दिया ठीक है भाई, थैंक्स फॉर योर फीडबैक एंड आई विल ट्राई इट बेस्ट फॉर माई नेक्स्ट टाइम. बाद में वो बंदा मुझे बाद में बंदा मुझे बोलता है कि सर वो मैं उस समय कॉन्टेस्ट में मेरे क्वेश्चंस नहीं हुए थे, तो मैं थोड़ा परेशान था, इसलिए मैंने ऐसा बोल दिया, बट इट्स फाइन. मतलब तो मैंने कहा भाई अब क्या ही बोलूँ मैं, मतलब ठीक है, कान से मोर लोग अरे भाई ये फालतू बातें कर रहे हैं लोग। ठीक है यार, अब यार रात हो गई है, सोते हैं, 1 बजने वाला है, कल मेरे को काम भी है सुबह। सो लेट्स गो फॉर स्लीप गाइस, लेट्स स्लीप। चलो भाई ठीक है, बाय बाय। हसरत डीपी ऑन सीएफ, यार डीपी लीड कोड पे करो, सीएफ पे भी यू कैन डू सम यू नो टैग लगा के तुम सॉल्व कर सकते हो, ठीक है। थैंक्स दीपक, है ना। बाकी यार इट्स ऑल अबाउट प्रैक्टिस डीपी। आप वो जो एड कोडर का डीपी कॉन्टेस्ट है, वो वो वाला कर लो, ठीक है, वो भी काफ़ी अच्छा है। बाय द वे, अब यार एक्स्ट्रा डाउट्स नहीं लेते हैं, पर्सनल डाउट्स सब जो जो कुछ भी है, एक हम अलग लाइव रख लेंगे, कोई टाइम डिसाइड करके उसमें आपके पर्सनल डाउट्स ले लेंगे। रात हो गई है, मेरे को जाना है, ठीक है। सो लेट्स हैव अ गुड नाइट। जो भी आपके डाउट्स है, सजेस्ट ऑप्शन वेयर वी एक्सप्लेन आवर अप्रोच सो दैट गेट दैट व्हाट रॉन्ग इज बीइंग डन व्हेन। यस गौरव, ऐसा हम प्लान तो कर रहे हैं वैसे, बट देखते हैं क्या होता है भाई, हैकर। हाँ मैं ट्राई करता हूँ यार, जितना जल्दी हो सकता है मैं डालूंगा, ठीक है। एज सुन एज पॉसिबल आई विल अपलोड। चलो कूल गाइस, देन बाय बाय, टेक केयर, गुड नाइट। मिलते हैं फिर नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। टिल देन थैंक यू, टेक केयर एंड बाय बाय।